Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathemagic Maths Guru. Today's video is going to be a wonderful video because in this video I am explaining the best, fastest method to find day of any date. For that you have to remember these three tables. Let me explain you these tables one by one in detail. First table, century code table. For that, you just remember these four century codes. For 17th century, the code is 4. For 18th century, the code is 2. For 19th century, the code is 0. For 20th century, the code is 6. For any other century, you divide the given century by 4 and get the remainder. If the remainder is 1, then the century code is 4. If the remainder is 2, the century code is 2. If the remainder is 3, the century code is 0. And if the remainder is 0, the century code is 6. And one more point you have to note here. From January 1752 to 2nd September 1752, the century code is 1. This is why, because the calendar system changed from the Julian calendar to the latest modern Gregorian calendar on 2nd September 1752. The Gregorian calendar which we are using now began on 14th September 1752, skipping 14 days. And the second important table is months code table. There are 12 months and for each month there is a code for it. So for the month of January, that is number 1, the code is 1. For the month of February, that is 2, the code is 4. And for March 3, it is 4. April 4, it is 0. May 5, it is 2. June 6, it is 5. July 7, it is 0. August 8, it is 3. September 9, it is 6. October 10, it is 1. November 11, it is 4. December 12, it is 6. So these codes for general year codes. And suppose if the given year is a leap year, that is, if the last two digits of the given year are divisible by 4, then we say it is a leap year. For example, in 1960, that is 60 last two digits, it is divisible by 4, so it is a leap year. In that case, the code for January becomes 0 and February it becomes 3, and rest all the months have same codes. There is no change. And third table, when we do all the calculations, we get a final single digit answer, and if the single digit answer is 1, then the day for the date which we are finding, it is Sunday, and if the single digit is 2, then the day is Monday, and if it is 3, it is Tuesday, if it is 4, it is Wednesday, if it is 5, it is Thursday, if it is 6, it is Friday, if it is 0 or 7, it is Saturday. So if you remember all these three tables and the note I have given, and by little practice you can get the day of any date very instantly. But you have to memorize these tables and note very well so that you can master this art of finding the day of any date. Now let us try to find the day on which Mahatma Gandhiji was born. His date of birth 2nd October 1869. The formula is very simple. Date plus month code plus century code plus year plus quotient of year divided by 4. And before we use the above formula, we reduce all the numbers which are greater than 7 by subtracting multiples of 7, that is 7, 14, 21, 28 and so on. First, date is 2, which is less than 7, keep as it is. Month code of 10 is 1, which is less than 7, keep as it is. Century code of 18 is 2, less than 7, keep as it is. Year is 69, which is bigger than 7, therefore 69 minus 63 is equals to 6. And finally the quotient of year divided by 4, that is 69 divided by 4. The quotient is 17. Remainder is 1. Don't take the remainder. Take only quotient, which is 17 more than 7. Therefore, 17 minus 14 is 3. By adding all these above, we will get the sum as 14. And since 14 is greater than 7, again 14 minus 14 is 0. And with the help of table 3, we say that the day of the given date is Saturday. That is, Mahatma Gandhiji was born on Saturday. Let us take the second example. Battle of Plassey took place on 23rd June 1757. So here date is 23, which is greater than 7. So 23 minus 21 equals to 2. Month code of 6 is 5, less than 7, keep as it is. Century code of 17 is 4, less than 7, keep as it is. Year 57, which is greater than 7, therefore 57 minus 56 equals to 1. And quotient of a year divided by 4, 57 divided by 4, that is 14 becomes the quotient. 14 minus 14 is 0. So by adding all, we get 12, which is greater than 7. Therefore 12 minus 7 is 5. And with the help of table 3, we say that the day is Thursday. Third example, India became independent on 15th August 1947. So now we do all the things, calculations in mind. Okay, 15 means 15 minus 14 is 1, so 1 plus. Month code of 8 is 3, and for century code of 19 is 0. And for 47 minus 42 becomes 5, and plus 47 divided by 4, quotient is 11, and 11 minus 7 is 4. So adding 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 5 plus 4 becomes 13, and 13 minus 7 is 6, and hence the day is Friday. And one more example, 13 7 23 05. And finally we write, okay, the final answer, 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1 equals to 12. 12 minus 7 is 5, and that's Thursday. So with the help of practice, you too can do all these problems in mind, but you have to practice for it. Thank you very much for watching the video.